Today, I'm going to show you the Vax UCPESHV1 airlift steerable pet vacuum cleaner, which is a high-performance, multi-cyclonic upright vacuum cleaner with UK's lightest lift-out cylinder. This vacuum cleaner is great for pet owners, as it has a turbo tool that can remove pet hair from carpets and upholstery with ease. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 features of this vacuum cleaner and why you should consider buying it. Let's get started. Number 1, the airlift technology. The first feature that makes this vacuum cleaner stand out is the airlift technology, which allows you to detach the cylinder from the main unit and use it as a corded handheld vacuum cleaner for hard-to-reach areas. This is very useful for cleaning the stairs, your car, or your furniture, as you don't have to drag the whole vacuum cleaner around. The cylinder is very light, weighing only 3.3 kilograms, and has a handle for easy carrying. The cylinder also has a 1.5 L bin capacity, which means you don't have to empty it too often. Number 2, the steerable head. The second feature that I love about this vacuum cleaner is the steerable head, which pivots and tilts to allow you to maneuver around corners and furniture with ease. The head also has a brush bar that can be switched on or off depending on the floor type. The brush bar helps to agitate and lift dirt and dust from carpets, while the suction-only mode is suitable for hard floors or delicate rugs. The head also has LED lights that illuminate dark areas under furniture or in corners. Number 3, the turbo tool. The third feature that makes this vacuum cleaner ideal for pet owners is the turbo tool, which is a special attachment that can be used with the hose or the cylinder. The turbo tool has rubbery claws that dig into upholstery and carpets to release stubborn dirt and pet hair. The turbo tool also has a rotating brush that spins at high speed to suck up the loosened dirt and hair. I have 2 cats and a dog, and this tool works wonders on my sofa and my bed. Number 4, the 3-in-1 tool. The fourth feature that adds to the versatility of this vacuum cleaner is the 3-in-1 tool, which can be used as a crevice tool, a soft dusting brush, or an upholstery tool. The crevice tool is great for cleaning narrow gaps and edges, such as between cushions or along skirting boards. The soft dusting brush is gentle on delicate surfaces, such as lampshades or curtains. The upholstery tool is designed for cleaning fabric surfaces, such as sofas or chairs. The 3-in-1 tool clips to the side of the vacuum cleaner when not in use, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Number 5, the cord length. The fifth and final feature that I appreciate about this vacuum cleaner is the cord length, which measures 10 mm. This gives you plenty of reach before you have to find another outlet. This is especially handy when you're using the cylinder mode or the hose mode, as you don't have to keep plugging and unplugging the vacuum cleaner. The cord also has an automatic rewind button, so you don't have to deal with tangled wires. So there you have it, the top 5 features of the Vax UCPESHV1 airlift steerable pet vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home appliance reviews. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this vacuum cleaner and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.